Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this O's Bubble Instant Boba Pack coffee flavored boba drink. So we've got assembled everything that we're going to need. We've got our boba straw, our boba pack, a microwave safe glass, measuring cup, and milk. So to get started with this, we're going to take our boba pack and just cut the edge of it off just a little bit. Next, we're going to pop that into our microwave safe glass and put that in the microwave for around 60 seconds. All right, guys, it's out of the microwave, and this precisely is why it's important to put it in a glass, because sometimes it will bubble over a little bit. So luckily it's in here, and we're just going to dump it right into our glass, and we're all good with that. Little bit of mess never hurt anybody. Now, their recommendation is to put in around 100 to 150 cc's of milk. Now, if you go right in the middle, about 125, that's roughly a little over 4 ounces of milk. So I have a half a cup here. That's what I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna do a splash on top of that. Next, you're just gonna stir this up really well. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. And the last thing they recommend is to add some ice to the top, so that's what we're gonna do. And stir that up good, and we've got ourselves a little boba drink. Now, if you wanna know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review of this and let you know if we would buy it again. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.